Hi, so my item just arrived from Shein. Let's do some Shein haul. One among many of my favorite items I got from Shein. My bag. I love the texture. So nice, so comfy, and I can also do it like this. Plus, also these outfits. It's lovely, right? So outfit number 2 is this top. As you can see, it's just the top I got from Shein. And look at my bag. See, one of the reasons I love brown bags, it can go with anything. It can literally go with anything. It's like my black go-to bag. Like a brown bag is like my black go-to bag. It goes with anything, literally. Look. And I love the color. I get to do it like this and go to the office. Plus, I love this top. Take a look at this top. I love it. It's really a struggle getting tops, like actual tops in Nigeria. Boutiques that have been to Wuse Market, you don't get to see varieties. So that's why I love shopping from Shein. Because look at this top, baby. So nice. Plus my bag. My tote bag. Is your tote bag? Or I could do it like this. Whichever I want. But the bag, the top, sorry, is the highlight of this video. Plus it's stretchy. You see? I love it. So I also got this ballerina flats, but I made a mistake and I got like the biggest size. This size 44. I usually don't wear size 44, honestly. But it's not that when I sized it, it wasn't that obvious that it was like not my size, unless you like look into it properly, because I just have to move my feet towards the back and it's very firm on me, so it's no need to sell it. I love it. See guys, so balanced but too big. I also got this white top. Obviously I'm not gonna try it because I have makeup on. I don't want it to stain my makeup. Even this one I'm putting on already is stained on the collar. So it's just a free size top you can wear on jean. But I'm going to be taking pictures with it definitely, and I'll show you guys. I think my light went off. Oh my god, it went off again. But this is a 2-piece. This is like the best. Everything is the best to me. I love this one. It's a 2-piece. I'll be dropping a picture of myself wearing the 2-piece on the screen now, so you can see how very fine it is. I love this top. And I got a gym set. I kind of like the material. It's nice. I'm about to start losing some weight. About to take my gymming life seriously, my exercise seriously. So see, I love it. I also got ponytail, like a clip-in ponytail. So nice. Boop. And I love ponytails. And this is for your jawline, to get your jawline snatched. It's a very soft material, and I've been seeing it online, and why not buy it? So I bought it and I'm gonna try it. So the last on my list is my glasses. I'm gonna put it on so you can see. It's so fine and so clear. I can even drive with this. I love it. I also got this weight balancer. It's for heels. This is for my ladies. Okay. I got the set. I'm so happy. Usually I have so many shoes here that I don't wear again because the heels itself is no longer balanced on the ground. So this is a game changer for me. So guys, that's all about my Shein haul shopping. Will I be shopping again from Shein? Hell yeah. Will I recommend my friends to shop from Shein? Yes, if you can, why not? Look how happy I am. Plus, shopping for me is very therapeutic, so I always do it when I have the money to do it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel.